Hello and welcome to G-Lens. The UK has made major changes to its immigration rules, some of the biggest in years. These changes are already affecting how people come to the UK for work, study, or to join their families. Here's a breakdown of what's new, what it means, and who it impacts. The 5 major policy shifts. 1. Skilled workers must now earn their stay over 10 years period. In a major shift, skilled workers will now need to live and work in the UK for 10 years, instead of 5, to qualify for indefinite leave to remain. They must maintain continuous employment and show good conduct throughout. 2. Salaries and skills bar raised. The minimum salary for a skilled worker visa is rising to £38,700, delayed but still expected. Only highly skilled roles will now qualify. Many junior or entry-level jobs have been removed. Some roles on the shortage occupation list may have reduced salary thresholds. 3. Duration of graduate route visa has been decreased. The popular graduate route, which lets students stay for 2 years after graduation, is being cut to just 6-12 months. To remain longer, students must now switch into a skilled worker visa quickly after finishing their studies. 4. Employers face higher sponsor costs and stricter rules. UK employers now face increased sponsorship fees, tighter compliance rules, and quicker license suspensions if they breach visa conditions. This means hiring international workers is now more expensive and heavily monitored. 5. More protection from deportation in family cases. On a more compassionate note, the UK has strengthened human rights safeguards, especially for families. For example, deporting someone who has a UK-born child may now be blocked more easily under Article 8 protections. Deporting someone with a child in the UK, under Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights, involves a complex legal process. While having a child in the UK does not automatically prevent deportation, the presence of a child, particularly a British citizen or one who has resided in the UK for 7 years, significantly impacts the assessment. The courts will consider whether it would be unduly harsh for the child to leave the UK or to remain in the UK without the parent. UK family visa rules, especially focusing on the June 2025 updates. What is a family visa? A family visa lets someone come to or stay in the UK to live with a partner, child, parent, or relative who is already in the UK. Income requirement. If you're a British citizen or have settled status and want to bring your spouse partner to the UK, you must prove you earn enough money. Before April 2024, the required income was £18,600, but as from April 2024, you must earn at least £29,000 per year or have £88,500 in savings. This amount is for your partner only. Children are no longer included in the income calculation. The government has now planned to increase it even more, up to £38,700. But that is still on hold for now. If you're applying after April 2024, you must meet the £29,000 income requirement. Care worker visa. New care visa holders cannot bring family, but old care worker can still bring their families. Can you still apply if you don't meet the requirement? Yes, in some cases. If you have a strong family or human rights case, for example, you have kids in the UK, you can apply under exceptional circumstances. You may not need to meet the full income requirement. This is called an Article 8 waiver. What happens on the 25th of June 2025? No big changes yet. The £29,000 rule is still in place. A government review is expected soon. They might change the rules again later this year based on that review. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer at the G7 summit stated that the UK may use visa access as a bargaining tool to ensure that countries cooperate in taking back rejected asylum seekers. If a country won't help the UK return rejected asylum seekers, the UK may make it harder for that country's citizens to visit or work in the UK. This could also apply to countries that don't help stop people from trying to reach the UK to claim asylum. Too many people are arriving in the UK illegally or without proper permission, and they are claiming asylum. The UK wants to send back people whose asylum applications are rejected. The UK already has returns agreements with 11 countries like Albania, India, Pakistan, Vietnam, Iraq, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Georgia, Somalia, Serbia, and Algeria. These deals allow the UK to quickly return rejected asylum seekers. These deals are working. For example, fewer Albanians are now applying for asylum. The UK is exploring stricter visa policies for countries without return agreements. Starmer is also working with leaders in France, Italy, and Germany to tackle migration together. He mentioned more ideas are being considered, including counterterrorism and sanctions. That's it for now, but I will be back with more updates as the story develops. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts. Subscribe and follow to stay updated on all the latest news. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.